This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. So, no one here yet this morning. So we'll start looking at the market here in 1 second. Even when I'm organized, I'm not organized. There we go. So we're pulling back now. Missed that purple candle there. Could have grabbed it. Anywho, overnight, on Friday, ES hit an all-time high of 51.49.25. We didn't quite get back up there. Our high so far today, 51.46, low dip to 41.35. It's 11 points in range. NQ did make a slight new all-time high overnight before it dropped. Dropped like it was hot. 377 the high, 310 the low. Small range, 67 points. Copper, about 80 ticks of range. Gold, nearing 2100 here. It hit 2190, 2097. It's pulled back a little bit now. Still hanging on the 2090. About 9 points of range overnight. Ultra bond coming down at its lows right now as we speak. About 3/4 of a point in range. And crude oil got above 80. It's pulling back a bit, back under 70, back under 80. 110 ticks of range. Natural gas flying right now. And last but not least, Bitcoin back up to 65,000, trying to get up to its all-time high of 69. That's where we sit stand there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take as the market's kind of dying. Hey, CVR, how you doing? And somebody new to subscribe. I got the notification, but it's in a language I don't know how to pronounce. So if the new person wants to step forward and let me know how I should pronounce your name, because I just don't know. I don't want to butcher it. Either way, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. No news this morning. How you doing, CVR? No news this morning. There's a Fed speaker at 11 o'clock. That's it. I mean, there's nothing on the agenda, which means it's going to be could be a choppy day. Choppy. So hanging out here. Quick move down there on the Russell. Everything's looking a little sad besides crude right now. Hanging out, waiting for our first move. So slow morning so far. I mean, it's 6 minutes in, but y'all are quiet. Wake up, everybody. Weekend's over. Pushing back up now. Small tight ranges right now. I mean, not ranges, but just small candles. Our ATR is only 3.75. Dow continues to fall. ES and NQ popping up. Last day for the Apex and Bulenox sales. If you want to get in, Apex ends at watching it pull back just a tad. Russell's popping back up. Popping up. Yeah, I would agree with that assessment, CBR. Crude. Still heading back up after hitting a low of the day. Natural gas having a field day. I'm not sure why. It's not like cold. Just waiting to see where we're gonna go. Which way do we go, George? Which way? Excuse me. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? It'll pop up there. Coming up the VWAP. VWAP, VWAP. So it'll rise back up and hit a high on this move. Yeah, easy for me to say. 52, pulled down to 26, now back up to 46. Gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run. Gotta count your money. Nice rise back up here. Blue candle there on the one. We'll maybe take that there if it holds. It's, oh, you know what? I'm not logged in. I knew I was forgetting something. There we go. Now we're logged in. But where's my NQ? Crap. Fine. So we're in a 5 NQ because for some reason on my Tradovate, NQ has gone out of the window. I'm not sure why. Oh, there it is. Never mind. I found it. Well, too late now. So it's going to stop us out anyway. Let's see where it goes. Maybe not. Yeah, this is a bad take, honestly. I misread it trying to get my chart up. Stupidity on my part. See if it still goes for us. It's still hanging around my entry. Just looking for 5 points here. Let's see if we get any more. But right here, 52 is our high. We are in at 48. So basically, we want to see if it gets up to 52, and then from there, we want to see if it can blow by that 52. This wish I was in on a regular contract, but I couldn't find my tab. Ooh, hit 50 and whip back down. Whip my hair. Pool. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. See you just subscribed. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Hey, Crypticon, how you been? I didn't see you a couple days last week. In case everybody didn't notice, over the weekend they launched the MightyOxTrading merch store. You can see it down below. Click on, there's like 18 or 16, 18 different items. If you click on the actual store link, YouTube shows like the first 4 or 5 below the stream. We're just rangy right now, here now. I said now twice, here now, here now. There now. Pennsylvania Dutch accent there now. Do you understand what happened, Crypticon? Do you understand, what went wrong? I'm not going to break 50. It's hit 50.75 twice now. How tight were your stops, Crypt? Yep, this is going to possibly come down and bite me. It's like couldn't get back above 50. Which you kind of see here, it came up here, down, tried to come back up, and exhausted at 50 quarter before falling. So, my stop here is only 4.25 or so, and it's 5 micros, so it's like a $40 risk here. On NQ, Crypt. There we go, stopped out. Yeah, it's a little tight for NQ. Well, That's definitely too tight for NQ. Crude oil depends on the time of day and how it's moving. So up, came up, down, tried again, failed there, came down, pushed back up, and then failed pretty much at that same spot. So that's something to keep an eye on. So we pull back down to the 100 EMA. That loss was $51. If you're enjoying today's stream, or you expect to enjoy today's stream, can you gore that like button for me? I'd appreciate it. Let YouTube know that you enjoy the channel. Just sitting on the 100 EMA there. Let's go back and look at everything else. Ultra Bond opened up a few minutes ago by big move down, 6 ticks. There comes the Russell down some. Look at the big move down there on the 5-minute on the NQ down about 11 points. ES falling fast. Good morning, JC. How are you doing? I'm doing all right. I know it can seem like that, Crip, but it's not true. Hey, Captain Price, good morning. Ooh, sorry, the mic. Sitting here, ooh, waiting for next move. No news at all this morning. No news catalyst at all. So we could be in for a choppier morning. There's a break. Let's see. Our came up, came back down, stopped at 304. No, I'm misreading that. I have to be 334. That's better. So let's see if it breaks below there. Actually, it just did, didn't it? Yeah. Wow. 333. 28 now. I would be chasing. Maybe. Yeah. I didn't take that purple candle, even though it was, it fit most of my criteria, but it was butting right up against that EMA, so I didn't take it. That Bulenox sale also ends today, guys, I believe. I'm not sure what time, but sometime after the Apex sale ends. Russell coming down, like CBR said. Did everybody have a chance to check out the prop firm snapshot today? If not, there's the link. Ultraviolet continuing to fall. Dow's falling straight down. Bounce on the ES. Russell gapping down. Not gaping, gapping. Coming back down. Trying a short here. With a tight stop. Got in a little late, unfortunately, but it's okay. Target is where it dipped to before, 26. See if it comes down. We'll get out at 5 if it looks like it wants to pause about 5 points. But if it wants to just come straight down to 10, I'll take it. Yep, coming back up on me again. So it looked like it wanted to break down. I guess it's decided that it doesn't run to. You see the Russell bouncing over there. Dow continuing down. NASDAQ, join your friend the Dow and continue down. How's everyone else doing out there? Anyone else taking any trades here in the free market? Stopped out. Good morning, Sid. How was the weekend? Hogs still doing well? Or pigs? Is there a difference between pigs and hogs? I could look that up. Not now. Hey, David, good to hear you're green. Excellent CVR. Great to hear that. Remember, folks, will be doing an evening stream tonight. Asia, Monday night, 7 to 9 Eastern. Struggling around this area. Sid, do you have the Tradovate desktop app? Popping up. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Morning, G-Man. Yeah, it's dead, and there's no news catalyst today, JJR, so I have to wait till the bell and see what it gives us. We are about 55 minutes to the bell. Pulling back down. Ooh, gold just pulled back big time. Crew trying to break through that 100 EMA. Volume is dead, as JJR said. There's a little spike there, but a couple little spikes. But we're just choppy now. We are choppy. 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 And by choppy, I am definitely staying out at this point. Yeah, it would have. You called that one well there, CBR. Sitting here, waiting for something. Ooh, I keep hitting that darn mic. Sorry, guys. Little pop back out. Yeah, it should start picking up some. Choppy, choppy, choppy. No fun right now, guys. No fun. In case y'all missed it, I only did this because people actually like requested that I do it, but I now have a MightyOxTrading merch store. So far, mugs, shirts, mousepad, travel mugs, notepad, magnets, sweatshirts, hoodies, kids clothing, tote bag, hat, a Trend is your friend mousepad. A couple other things that's not shown in the first 16. I forget what they are. But, yep, if anyone wants anything with MightyOxTrading on it, it's now available. Hey, John, how you doing? Morning, Robin. Let's see, anything on any chart I want to take. G-Man, did you get your profit target? Uh, I know your weekend was good, Robin. How was your weekend, John? Excellent, John. Glad to hear it. So when the market wakes up, wake me up. I'm going to take a nap. Oh. It sucks that they lost. I'm glad you had a fun road trip. Q heading back down here. Range is not much at all. In the last, the last 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes or so, our range is only 47 down to 33. 14-point range. Look like it's going to try and break through the range now. Is it home on the range? That is the question. Is it going to range or is it going to edge? Are we at low day? Oh yeah, we are at low day. Good point. Well, we're not low day on NQ. And low day on NQ is 310. We're at 334 on NQ. But ES is just about at low day, 41.35. I agree. Although I will say FTMO is the best, the one I would be worried about the least. But yeah, definitely don't leave your money in there too long. Little bounce. Top of the hour coming up in about 9 minutes. Hopefully we can find something there. Q looks like it wants to try and come down here. Maybe. That's going to be one I should have taken. What's an EA, John? It's a reason that's failing my brain. On what, Chase? M? Just a letter? Oh, hello, Paul. Oh, Macy's? Wow, what happened there? Oh, okay. Entered apprentice. Oh, nice gap up there. They were having it beat down. Interesting. Okay, so the next question I have, because oh, okay. Ah, okay. Just say I'll go then. A little bounce here. Got that a little bit. Well, double bottom the 51.35 so far. Why? What's wrong with DX trades? This is why everyone should just come to futures and be done with it. Nice bounce there on NQ. Pop up. I noticed my funded Forex is basically keeps trying to convince everyone to come to futures too. It's interesting how they decided to come into the futures market right before the Forex market started coming under so many challenges. I don't know if they got word that something was coming or if they just got extremely lucky. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Crude trying to get back to 80. It opens there at the top of the hour. Yeah, I've seen that. So, I mean, what's going to happen when DX trades? If DX trades pulls, I don't know anything about these Forex platforms. So, man, RJ, that computer, I don't know. I think I'll just throw it out the window and get another one at this point. All right. Well, we'll be here next week. Hey, Ace. Does Ace just lurk until RJ shows up, or yeah? See you next week, RJ. Dow's still just dying there. Gold shooting up, just hit 2100. First time it's seen 2100 in a long time. Wow, look at that go. Let's see here. Gold was last at 2100 December 28th. I believe all-time highs were back on December 4th, 2171 half. I think. Maybe not. Maybe not. Hold on. No, 2183.1 back on last May. Wow. Oh, I don't remember that. But anyway, no, that's not the all-time high either. Never mind. I'm not going to keep trying to find the all-time high. Shouldn't be talking about things I don't know about. 22 something is the all-time high. Sorry about that. Sorry about the misinformation there. I didn't remember getting it up to 22s, but maybe I just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, there's 21,019, but long way to go before all-time highs. Platinum, silver, also going along with it there. By shout out, does that mean you're going to be listening in, RJ, or am I supposed to send you an email or something? No. Okay, I know what you mean by shout out. RJ Wheel called that. We're down to 330. Coming back down the top of the hour. Crude back above 80. Crude and gold having a field day. Dow, ES dying. There's NQ dying now. Last days for the 80% sale on Apex. Probably last day for the 83% sale on Bulenox. So if you need accounts, grab them now before it's too late. I said that dramatically. Have a good one, RJ. We'll miss you. So Sid, on gold, do you have a place you're going to take some profit, or are you just going to let it run? I know Sid has investments in gold in other ways besides futures. Ultrabot bounced a little bit. Now struggling. Crude still running. Yeah, I saw that, John. Did you see Chapman finally signed? ES made a new low a day, 51.32. No, 51.32. Half. We can, well, I mean, maybe the offer wasn't as good as reported. I don't know. It is kind of weird. He does get the opt out, though. He can opt out after this year or next year. So little pullback there to 2100 even on gold. Crude up to 80.24. Dow may have finally found a bottom. We'll see a little blue candle there. Tiny little blue candle. We are 23 minutes till the bell. Yep, Snell's still in the market. Market's gotten slow again. Slow. Crude and gold both pulling back a bit. Oh, wow. Hopefully DX trades didn't decide to like drop everybody too. Thank everyone for joining me today. Feel free to join us in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome, or just say hi. We have a friendly bunch here. I dropped something on the floor. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Ah, so they need to scale up, which isn't something they can just do overnight. Rod? I don't even see that on my calendar. Are you looking at the right day? That's tomorrow, Rod. So you stayed up for no reason. Yeah, it's on the calendar for tomorrow, not today. We have no news at all today. Tell me about the future, Rod. Oh. But, Rod, there are major news reports every day the rest of this week. You need to move to someplace that's more hospitable to your trading. Our YouTube issue. Not sure why we're swirling. All right, we should seem to be okay. With this slow price action, I've attempted to take a nap. Ah, so that's why you thought. ES coming back down, NQ coming back down. Have a good night, Rod. We'll see you tomorrow or today or whatever that is going to be. See you in about 24 hours. We have about 15 minutes till the bell. There'll be another one right around the corner, Ace. Who let the dogs out? Ace, 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 ace. I'm so sorry. That just came to my brain, and I'm sorry it did. And popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Bitcoin still hanging at 65K. Trying to get up to its all-time high. Took a long off that blue candle on the one. She ended up kind of being the same blue candle on the 5, running into the 20 EMA there. Should have taken it when it ran into the EMA. Well, maybe it's coming back up. Well, it's not able to get above there. Right back down to my entry. Took the trade off. $5 profit, which was eaten up by commission. So when Ace goes short and I'm long, I know it's time to get out. And it was time to get out. Look at that. Come down. Bending, the market bending to Ace's will. Meanwhile, gold continues up. 2103 now. Wow. We are about 10 minutes till the bell. Oh, wow. They used it without your permission? Got the point? Market's telling you, well, that's the point. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Let's see what we get after the bell. Right now, everything besides gold is, well, Dow's is dying to the downside. That's a great question. Hey, John, DeFore, are you still here? I would do the half a meal for everybody, Ace. John, breaking news out of Philadelphia. The Phillies are signing Zach Wheeler to a multi-year extension. No numbers or year, the amount hasn't come out yet, but Buster Olney reported it on Twitter. Coming down. 324. What's our well? 310's the low in NQ. About 5.5 minutes to the bell. No question. Was letting you know about the Zach Wheeler signing. Push down. Yeah, I'm waiting to see what the numbers are on that deal, but it's gonna be interesting. It'll pop back up. That was a nice little spike down to 320, back up to 324. Still small movement, small candles. Let's get ready for the bell and hope it gives us some more opportunities. So you have another new subscriber about from 27 minutes ago, but again, it's a name I don't know how to pronounce. So if anybody's new here, it looks like that might be Russian, but I'm not gonna guess. Feel free to say hello in the chat and let me know how to pronounce your name, and I'll be happy to do it the right way. Quick push down here a couple minutes before the bell. Two-minute warning. Hello. Oh boy. I am going to mess up your name. Can I call you Shub? Because I am going to mess it up. Oil View. Oil seems to be heading up. I'm surprised it took this long. And over the weekend, I know the Saudis said they were going to continue their cutbacks for a while. So it seems like oil right now is a bullish view. Yeah, I think it was like 5 years ago. Nolan Ryan threw out a ceremonial first pitch that still hit 80 something miles an hour. So right now I consider oil bullish, but I mean, gotta remember I day trade, so I don't hold anything. So I just trade what I see and try and trade the ups and downs throughout the day. Nice pop up here right before the bell. Back up to 330 after getting down to about 315. Came close to the overall low a day. There's the bell. Wow, ace long ES right off the bell. It's not the ace I know, but great call. Wow, boom. Looks like the other part of the family can get their meal. Big move back down on the NQ. We did hit a new low a day, 307 half on NQ. Russell heading up. Gold, big move up to 2106. Sid's loving this. There's oil up to 80.32. Dow, the 38,965. Ultravion's still coming down. Wow, John. 3 years, $126 million. That's like 42 million a year, if my math is right. Yeah, Nola had a really bad year last year. So wow, look at the Dow. Dow taking off 100 points. I know, John. I'm getting a little worried. This is not giving the Phillies a lot of room for free agents for like the next few years at all. Casty and Schwarber come off the books in 2 years, I think. Big move down here. Just broke 300. RJ said 229 earlier. Look at the Russell. Big wick on the Russell. It shot up and then gave it all back. Gold's still heading up. Crude's kind of stagnant. Dow's happy. Dow's happy. NASDAQ isn't. And ES is kind of just there. For those of you that are new every now and then, me and John DeFore like to talk some baseball. So don't mind us. A little bit of baseball mixed in with your trading. We're talking baseball. Willie, Mickey, and the Duke. Sorry. We're long off that blue candle, 5 micros. Let's see what we get. Targeting maybe that 20 EMA there. Let's see. There we go. I'm struggling at the EMA, and we're out that quick. And look at it give back. I should have just put the target on the EMA. When will I learn? But it was a $60 winner there. Still heading up. So it did pull back and then came back up. I got out, but I'm happy with what I got there. All right, G-Man. 37 to 41. Is that what you're going for? Or I didn't see your entry, G-Man. And right back down. So again, I got out at, where did I get out at? I got out at 14. It went up to 20. I could have got my 10 points, I think. Wait, hold on. I was in at 8. Yeah, I could have got 10, but here we're pulling back down. All right. Big drop back down. New low in NQ is 288. Try to stay below, there. Easy for me to say, above 300. Popping back up with blue. Oh, sorry. We're long again. Gonna be smart this time. Can it get back up? Can it get up there to that EMA? If it does, we'll take the profit there. Back to my entry. It got up to 27. I'm in at 21. Turned red on me. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Let me fire. Ooh, so close. 28. My target's at 29.75. It got up to 28.75. Got within a point. Dang it. Back to my entry, and now we're red. Wow. So got within a point of my target and decided to pull back. Bounces off to 20. Let's see if it comes back up. There we go. There we go. Back down. Definitely pulsing here. Around 25. Looks like it's going to break here. Yep, and it's going to end up stopping me out. Got within a point of my target and decided to reverse. Oh, wait, here we go. Maybe a bounce. We're still in it, folks. Nope, coming back down. Now it's going to stop me. There we go. So once it reversed there at that EMA, I should have just got out. And instead I went with hope and did not get what I wanted. Dow heading back up after pulling back. Hanging here. ES pushing back up. ES trying to get to G-Man's profit target area. Gold still flying. Dow's doing well. Back above 39,000. Here comes NQ trying to turn around. Choppy. That's what happens when you have zero news catalysts. Nice call, Dream-Man. Here comes NQ trying to come back down. I don't know if I want to trust any of this right now. We're too choppy. JC, you've been quiet today. Yeah, I should have trusted that purple candle back down. Obviously, it would have worked. That's okay. That's okay. Still nothing here that I want. Nothing that I want. I missed your long. Did I acknowledge your long? Did I miss you saying your long? I don't remember what your long was. Oh, okay. 127.07. 27. All right. Okay. Not. Oh, nice. 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 Yeah. ES is heading up. NQ is heading down. Unusual for them to be traveling in different circles. You see, I mean, this hourly candle, ES is up 6.25. NQ is down 38. Dow is up big time, 121. Popping back up here though a little bit with NQ. Hey, Tio. Mentioned this once earlier. Did this because people were asking for whatever reason, but the MightyOxTrading merch store is live. You can see it down below the video as well. Launched with about 18 different items. If anyone actually wants something with MightyOxTrading on it, might be throwing some stuff on some of my other AI creations. No banana hammocks. Thank you, Ace. Took way more time, much more time than I expected. I ended up having to drop one place I was going to go with for it because their shipping was way too high. They wanted like $22 to ship a mug. I'm like, no. So you can look below the video if you're on a PC, and the merch shelf should be there, and also you should be able to click the link. If not, here's the actual direct link to it as well. Pushing down. I didn't put any of the Ace meme stuff in the store. Answer. Excellent. Oh yeah, oil really pulled back under 80. uh, you wouldn't want to see the shipping amount on the toddler Ace. And we're breaking back down on NQ. How many ticks did you get, Paul? Beautiful move down there. I went with this chop. This is what I hate about chop. Isn't that I get caught in chop? It's that I don't trust chop when it ends, and then it makes a nice move, and I don't get it. Oh, nice. Yeah, look at that big move there on the Ultra Brand. Excellent way to start the week, JC. We're not Costco, Ace. Bounce there on NQ. Back out. somewhat. It's fighting around 300. It got back below it. Now it's trying to reclaim it. ES has gotten choppy too. That's kind of how Costco is now, Ace. Someone just returned furniture that they had for 3 years and just no longer want it, and they got a full refund from Costco. There's reports of people that take their Christmas trees back to Costco after the Christmas season's done, and they'll take them back. Which I think is like, I mean, the 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 moral implications of that notwithstanding, I mean, it's an excellent excellent policy. Is there a reason you addressed yourself there on that one, Ace? Nice dip buying, G-Man. I'm just not that quick of a read. That's kind of why I use indicators. Is I'm slow at reading things for little dips. Dip, 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 dip. Well, at least you can return the kayak, Ace, after you use it for a nice trip down the river. Unfortunately, there's no Costco close to me. Closest one's Peoria, which is like 2 hours away. I'm kind of surprised there's none in Champaign or Springfield. Russell dying, gold's dying. I'm sorry, crude's dying. Gold pulling back just a tad. Just a tad. Bounding back up. So this would be a 30-second chart. G-Man uses a 30-second chart. And if my brain could process that fast, it actually looks good based on how I read the charts. But I still don't think my brain could process that fast. I was wondering about that myself, Ace, which is why I actually moved the hoodie to the top and the sweatshirt to the bottom. Or at least I meant to. I think I did that. We're choppy. We'll break out. Popping back up now. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I had to fight, get better shipping. The first place I had a huge array of items to pick from, but their shipping's just out of control. So I had that all ready to go, and I realized how bad the shipping was, and had to totally scrap it and go to a different place. uh, the thing, at least for me, is that lately, not everything from Amazon's been 2 days. I mean, most of it still is 2 days, but every now and then, it's like they call it like a 3 or 4 day shipping. Still heading up here now. It hit, it hit 305 on that candle. Let's see if it gets back above there. I'm still waiting for the drone deliveries, guys. pulling back down. Actually, the deliveries here from Amazon got a little messed up a couple years back. Can't remember exactly when it was because the closest warehouse to me actually got nailed by a tornado. Up, up, up we go. So pulled back, then blue candle, then popped up. Blue candle was a trigger for me, but I was distracted by a shiny object. Excellent job, Sid. By the way, Bitcoin broke 66,000. Trying to head toward its all-time high. Macy's is still hanging there. What's Mara doing? That's not what I wanted to do. How did I do that? Oops. I didn't know you could even put words on the screen by hitting. Oops. Anywho. And Marathon's bouncing up. AQ coming back down after bouncing off the band. Bands don't like it when you bounce off them. And the Russell dying now. Yeah, YM pulling back. Dow coming down. I mean, ES coming down. Crude coming down. Only thing not falling right now is gold. You guys. While I'm sitting here, D-Man's probably pulled off like 4 more trades. It's like you got out at a perfect time there on the Ultra Bond there, JC. See the pullback. Thank you. Fighting for 300. Isn't there a movie called 300 with a lot of fighting? Remember, folks, Bulenox, Apex, both sales ending later today. Get them while they're hot. We are just Chop City, USA. Crude just dying now. So it got up to 80.37 and it's pulled back by a full point. Nice, Paul. Great job. Little bounce here again. So we got down to that same area, 290. I'm sorry, 284, and bouncing again, but not a convincing bounce. Not a convincing bounce at all. Terrible night. But there's news reports the rest of the week that should be interesting catalysts. You still have Congress trying to figure out if they can avert a shutdown or not. So that'll be catalyst as well. Absolutely. I love to know when people leave because sometimes I'll be talking to people, something they said like half an hour ago, and then they're gone. So I really wish YouTube had a thing that showed when people came and left. Like some chat rooms do. Ace Trades is left. TO's come in. That way I don't have to be like yelling, X and X, are you still here? No answer. I left or died or something. Have a good one, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, big blue candle. I like that one. I like blue candles and I cannot lie. Not going for big targets at this point. Nice rise. Whippy. Don't come right back down on me, please. Really? Come on back up. You know you wanna. Sweet talk it. ATR was 10. We still didn't even get 10. Come on. Come on back up, baby. Not going. Out. Should just be going for 5 points, I guess. Okay, got 5 there, 5 there. Ooh, big drop. By big, not really that big, but you know. Struggled to get below 284. Just hit 282, bounced. Yeah, YM does seem to be the star of the day of the indices, the only one that's not bleeding out. How you doing today, Glasgow? Yeah, this is choppy. It's a choppy day. All right, bounce right back up. It got down to 281, bounced back up to 296. It's glued to that 300, staying close on both sides. 42. All right. Yeah, I did the verif thing on Apex JJR. It's legit. They're gonna want a picture of your ID, your driver's license or state ID or whatever. It's been a few months now, so I don't quite remember, but it's pretty straightforward, I think. They even accepted mine, even though my ID was expired. Yeah, I think so. Yes, they'll compare it to the picture on your ID. Popping up here a little bit again. I could have went for a quick 5, and I think I started studying this last night. I didn't get to finish because I was doing 10,000 other things. But really, especially in chop like this, going for like 5 points. This would give me 5, 5, 5, 5. It went exactly 5, so with slippage, probably not. 5. Even this would have given me 5, 5. Starting to think that's what I need to do. 5, 5. I keep saying 5. I just need to make sure my stops are in the same. Hanging around. Yep, now we're breaking to the upside. Nice move up. So that little blue candle was my trigger, and I didn't trust it. Right now I've been using one contract. I'm just, eh. This was beautiful. I usually, I mean, my goal usually is to go for like at least 10 points, but today that wasn't working, and I've been studying the whole 5 point thing. Uh, well, that's the thing. I'm studying the 5 point, but if I, my normal strategy, like let's say I would take this blue candle, my normal strategy would be to put the stop below the blue candle, or if the candle before it had a lower wick, then I'll put the stop there. So for here, my stop would have been there, and so on and so forth. That's the gist of how I try to set my stops. Oops. Pulling back here a little bit. I mean, I don't. I mean, I usually try to go for at least 1 to 1, but I prefer something higher than 1 to 1 risk to reward. There's the pullback. Got up to 29, 25, pulled back about 8 points. Pulls back, trying to push back up. Yeah, I'm watching volume more as well now. I never used to, but I've been starting to. I watched how this volume went up, 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 up. This should have told me once it dropped. I should have taken that a little short for a scalp, very quick scalp. Also something I'm working on. Yep, not gonna go for me. Whatever. Pulls down. Yeah, one's 11 ounces and one's 15 ounces, Tio. 15 ounces is marked. I guess I should mark the 11 ounce. The 11 ounce was the first one I did, so I kind of need to go back and clean that one up. Yeah, we're up to 51.44 on ES, and Q didn't hang in here at 18,325. ES all-time high hit on Friday was 51.49. The overnight high was 51.46. Trying to push up again here, trying to break through the wall here on NQ. We got up to, I think 30. Yeah, 30. Sitting at 25. See you, JC. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Great win earlier. Here's the push. Push through 330. Up to 332. Now, ES actually pulled back there in the last a couple minutes. It's trying to get back up to there. That might have been the last push up, though. That sounds like a nice wall there. Will the wall come tumbling down? You the wall. Crude still falling there. Tried to come back up and then a quick whip down. Not a good day for my trading, but that's okay. Pushing down. So rejection off of 333, and there's ES falling, 51.41. Now we're kind of sideways. Can't decide where it wants to go. ES is sideways. Yep, it wants to take out the wall. Needs a little breath. Retreating, not surrendering. See, NQ, it's bashing that 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Just keeps banging its head on it. Dunk, 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 dunk. Or maybe that's the 200. I forget. Is that the 200 or 100? It's the 100. Okay. Yeah, I heard Bookmap's fun to watch. Gold. Wow, look at gold, guys. This is just crazy. We could have all just went long on gold and did nothing the rest of the day. Low of the day, 2088-ish. Now he just hit 2115, so a 27 point move up from the 22 no 12 and 12 and yeah 27. I was right. Early morning math. I know it's no longer early morning. Don't judge me. Oops. Yep, move down. So could not break the wall. Now dumps down. Big volume spike there in that last minute. There's a purple candle on the one. There's a purple candle on the one that I probably should have grabbed. We're gonna go down to micros. See what we can get. Stop is about 6 points on 5 micro. Wow, right back, right up. I can't do anything right today. All right, it's the last trade I'm taking no matter what. Just nothing wants to go right. It was a stupid trade, honestly. I just kind of jumped in there thinking I was getting momentum. I didn't read that right at all. Yeah, I did. I didn't read that right at all. That was a trade of. I didn't even read it right. I didn't look at it right. It was kind of a hope trade more than anything else. ES popping back up and down. Yeah, right back down. That's fine. So as we wrap up today, remember the MightyOxTrading store is live if you actually want anything with the MightyOxTrading logo on it. We're probably gonna do some try and do some general trading stuff as well, not just the MightyOxTrading logo, but maybe some trading sayings or I don't know, figure something out. If anyone has anything creative that they would like done, I can do it. If anyone likes any of my fun AI, I can do that too. Have a great day, Sid. Oh yeah, reminder, folks, if you can make it, we're having an evening stream tonight, 7 to 9 Eastern. Gold's still running. Ouch on the algo though, John, but great job manual trading. Is the algo done for the day, or is it still going to try? So the algo does not like chop. So we've reached the top of the hour. We want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and then tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Good luck to the algo, John. And we shall talk to you later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.